Welcome 3D printing lovers. Tostatronic has for you the launch of what is perhaps Creality's best 3D printer, the CR6 SE. We hope you enjoy this unboxing. We started this video with what we consider to be the most important property of this printer, the intelligent 16-point auto leveling, with a revolutionary modular fuser pressure system, perfect for users who are new to 3D printing. The packaging format is similar to that of the Ender 3 V2. The kit weighs approximately 9 kilos and a half. The document bag includes the technical sheet, letter of appreciation from Creality and complete and detailed manual. Another great success of this kit is to include one roll of white PLA, obviously Creality. In other models they include only a few grams. As is customary, Creality packaging is robust. This kit consists of 2 levels. At the top we find the new 4.3-inch touchscreen. The bag with little hardware. As promised since their successful Kickstarter campaign. The handle, which in our opinion should not be part of the upper frame. The also new 2-position filament base, which fortunately mounts to the printer base. Power cable. Replacement optical sensor, 10 extra nozzles and PTFE2, promise to exceed the $2 million sale level. Removing the upper part of the packaging, we find the pre-assembled frame of the printer and the base. The frame is made up of 4020 student lateral profiles with flat roof. The upper profile and the X-axis are 2020. This model has an optical sensor for the Z-axis. Double motor connected with control band in the upper part, and threaded rod. To remove the base, we hold with one hand the left part of the screen or front of the machine and with the other the Y-axis motor, remembering that the bed has movement. The base of the CR6 is integrated in conjunction with electronics, power supply and toolbox. All elements protected by foamy. It includes a spatula very pleasant to the eye and touch. Commemorative stickers. Clean mouths. Memory adapter. $8 GB SD memory. A couple more nozzles and extra insurance for PTFE2. Wrench. Allen kit. Key pipe wrench. The box has magnets to close perfectly, in addition to including much better modeling scissors than the traditional other models. The harness only has two connectors, one for the extruder and another for the melter. The display with a 6-pin inline connector. The X-axis and Y-axis feature trim for the band, all pre-assembled as they showed off in the Kickstarter campaign. The fuser block with its single connector, latex cover and LED light. We show you the Z-limit switch and the new extruder that also has all the connections and receives communications from a single connector. In the upper part we see the filament sensor and all the cables and connectors perfectly identified. The extruder has a receiver and safe for the filament, which facilitates the loading and unloading operation. Creality included accessories to hold the cable going to the extruder in conjunction with the Teflon tube. We show you in more detail the filament base that is mounted on the right side of the machine. We say goodbye with this image of the complete content of the kit, hoping that they will subscribe to our channel. Hopefully they will give us a like and share our content. On our Tostatronic channel on YouTube, we will soon publish the video of the assembly step by step. Yo soy Dado Poderoso. Hasta la vista.